The movie industry is all about stories. Stories that captivate, inspire, and transport us to different worlds. We crave new ideas, fresh perspectives, and innovative narratives that push the boundaries of our imagination. Now, there's a new player in town, artificial intelligence. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. AI is changing how we write, how we create, and how we envision the future of storytelling. Specifically, it's revolutionizing the way we write screenplays, offering new methods and insights. Tools like ChatGPT are powerful. They provide writers with endless possibilities and creative solutions. They can help us unlock our creativity, sparking ideas we might never have thought of on our own. Think of AI as a partner in crime, a collaborator that enhances our storytelling capabilities. It's not here to replace writers. Instead, it's here to work alongside us. It's here to amplify our abilities, to help us reach new heights in our creative endeavors, to push the boundaries of storytelling. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, in real time, and it's only going to get bigger. The future of Hollywood is here, and it's powered by AI. Every screenplay starts with an idea. It could be a fleeting thought, a dream, or even a conversation you overheard. But capturing that spark and turning it into a full-fledged story can be challenging. But sometimes those ideas are hard to find. Writer's block is real. It can feel like an insurmountable wall, stopping your creativity in its tracks. AI can be a lifeline. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never tires, always ready to offer new angles and perspectives. You can feed it prompts, simple sentences or complex scenarios, it doesn't matter. Give it genres, themes, even keywords. The more specific you are, the more tailored the suggestions. It can churn out countless possibilities, from plot twists to character arcs. The options are endless. Let's say you want to write a thriller, a genre filled with suspense and unexpected turns. Tell the AI, give me a story about a detective who receives a cryptic message from the past. Boom, a starting point. It's like magic, but grounded in technology. AI won't write the entire script for you. It's not a replacement for your creativity. It gives you the seeds, the raw materials, the building blocks of your story. Your job is to shape them, to mold these ideas into a cohesive narrative, to make them your own. In the end, it's your unique voice that will bring the story to life. Dialogue is the heart and soul of a screenplay. It brings characters to life, giving them a voice and personality. It moves the plot forward, creating tension and emotion. AI can help you write sharper dialogue, more realistic, more engaging. It can analyze patterns and suggest improvements. You can input character descriptions, their backstories, and even their quirks. The AI can then generate lines that fit their personalities, ensuring consistency. Imagine you have two characters arguing. One's a hothead, always quick to anger. The other's calm and collected, always thinking before speaking. The AI can write dialogue that reflects that dynamic, capturing the essence of their conflict. It's like having a writing partner who never tires, always ready to help. Someone to bounce ideas off of, offering fresh perspectives and new angles. Someone to help you find the perfect words, making your dialogue shine. Section 4. The blueprint. Structuring your screenplay with AI. A screenplay needs structure, a beginning, middle, and end, a clear arc. AI can help you map out your story. It can suggest plot points, identify potential problems, and even help you with pacing. Think of AI as your script doctor. It can analyze your story, offer suggestions for improvement, and help you create a tight, compelling narrative. The goal is to use AI to strengthen your script, to make it the best it can be. Section 5. The future is now AI screenwriting tools and their impact. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. New tools are emerging all the time. These tools are becoming more sophisticated, more intuitive. They're learning to understand the nuances of storytelling. The impact on the industry is undeniable. AI is democratizing screenwriting, making it accessible to more people. The future is bright. AI won't replace human creativity, but it will change how we tell stories, and that's exciting.